Dear friends, the process of education is incomplete without a teacher. A teacher molds the character of a student by making his or her all-round development. It is true that a child imitates its parents, but only a teacher can make him or her a good citizen. Let's meet a teacher from Washim, Mrs. Meshramkar, who is in her 80s now, but still young by heart. At this old age, she still teaches to the students to improve their English, and it shows her devotion and love for teaching. Our students had a chat with her about her experience as a teacher and her life after retirement. Let's experience it.
Where did you teach and for how long?
See, I taught in Bombay, Hume High School, Baikala, next to JJ Hospital. Yes, so 20 years I taught.
How was your life as a teacher?
As a teacher, I had a wonderful life. And I used to be always with the children. Because from children, what I found, the joy of my life, their innocence, their different activities and their different talents and the mischiefs also, that made me very happy in my life.
How do you feel after your retirement?
And some students of college, they came to me asking me, why don't you teach us English? So I started conversation classes. And many students used to come from junior college, and even the postgraduate children came to me and they learned English. And I am very proud to tell you, within 6 months, they started speaking English.
What difference do you find between education at your time and now?
It was so solid, pakka, you know. Pakka is a word which is used in every language. So education was pakka, and the poem which I learned in first standard, still I remember. ही आवडते माझी मनापासून शाळा. But the difference now, the pattern of education is changed totally, you know, and the children just learn by heart, ratify, and then they just pass on and get the percentages, and but the deeper study is not done much. So that is a difference in the olden studies and now.
You were the chief guest of our first annual gathering. How did you feel at that time?
Oh, that was a wonderful day. Wonderful day. When I entered the campus, I thought that was my dream came to true, you know. I saw the big ground and the big building, and Mr. Heda was there welcoming me with his better half, and I was so delighted to see that Dilip has opened the school, and he had seen the need of Washim's children and Washim's parents, that English has to be taught in Washim, and he has opened English medium school. Not only that, but the school which will stand in the whole world, and that is why they say world concept, isn't it? So I was so glad to be a chief guest, and I didn't know how to admire my student who has taken this social cause and invested his time, his talent, and his not only talent, his intellect and his money also.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Santa Claus is coming along, riding on a sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Santa Claus is coming along, riding on a sleigh. La la la, la la la, la 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 la. मिस सांता क्लॉज का घर कहाँ है? चाँद पे. हमें भी वहाँ ले चलिए ना. अच्छा. आओ तुम्हें चाँद पे ले जाएं, प्यार भरे सपने सजाएं, छोटा सा बंगला बनाएं, एक नई दुनिया बसाएं. ओ आओ तुम्हें चाँद पे ले जाएं.
आज हमने दिल का हर किस्सा तमाम कर दिया। आज हमने दिल का हर किस्सा तमाम कर दिया। खुद भी पागल हो गए, तुमको भी पागल कर